Hello everyone, I hope you're doing okay. For today, I will be showing you how I got this gorgeous glam look, which could be ideal for a night out or a date night with someone special. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. After you prime, conceal, apply foundation and your finishing powder, I like to curl my natural eyelashes. In order to achieve this dramatic look, I will apply some NYX eyeshadow primer, so please make sure to spread it quickly since it dries very fast. So now I'm going to use a light non-shimmery eyeshadow and begin to apply it around my brow bone area. If you'd like, you can use a shimmery one. It's really up to you. Now, I will begin to use a shimmery gold eyeshadow. This one is the Enchantress color from the Natural Goddess palette. I will start applying it around my inner lid area. So now, here's where it gets sort of messy. I will take my Essentials palette and grab some of the color black using a little product. Do not use too much product because it will get very messy. So I will begin to place it around the mid and outer area of my eye. To continue, we will need another eyeshadow in a lighter color. This one is All Night from the Festival palette. Now this one will be used around the deep crease area of my eye. It doesn't have to be perfect, so don't worry. Now I'll grab my Total Temptation palette and will use a shimmery gold color to blend the previous eyeshadow together. Don't worry if it looks harsh, we will use another eyeshadow soon, I promise. Now it's time to use my Broken Naked 3 palette and choose the color Dark Side in order to blend my eyeshadows to the above the crease area of my eye. If you feel like you made any mistakes like I did here, do not worry. So now you can use the non-shimmery light color in order to clean up any mistakes. Now, since the gold color is not very noticeable, you can reapply it. You can either choose the light gold shimmery color or a dark gold shimmery color. It's up to you. Now, don't forget to apply some inner corner once again and lower lash line. Now, I'm using the Festival palette and we'll grab some of the 24 Magic color This one is not a powder one, it's more like a jelly one, so make sure you clean your fingers before applying it. Now, in order to fix the smoky eye makeup look, I will apply some more of the cool color from the Maybelline palette. Once you're finished, you can grab some of the eyelash glue, apply it to your fake eyelashes, and while it dries, you can start doing your eyeliner. It doesn't have to be perfect because you can fix it later on. Just make sure to do it as thin as possible. I like to do this before I apply my eyelashes because it gives a natural look. So now I'm applying my eyelash, which is completely dry, the glue. You can just add some mascara right after they're blended with your natural eyelashes. I'm having some lighting problems, so don't worry, just bear with me please. So now that you're finished, you can grab some of the coal color again and apply it to your outer corner of your lower lash line. After applying some mascara on my lower lashes, I will begin to clean up some excess that I may have had around my cheek area. You can apply some concealer again, and to finish it up, you can use a finishing powder. So now I'm gonna grab my Cover FX Contour Highlight palette and start applying some of the contour color around my nose, my cheeks, and now I'm gonna grab some of the Steve Laurent highlighter. This one is a jelly one, so make sure to clean your hands because it's better to use your hands. If you use a brush for this highlighter, it will look very, very harsh. As you can see, it gives a beautiful glowy look. Now for my lips, I will use a light pink color. And I will grab the blush color from the Cover FX palette again. After you're done applying your blush, you will be all set. So now it's time to let your hair loose and enjoy your look. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.